Yeah, of course. Well, let's talk about those kind of next steps and look to the future then. So, George, what are the money platform's plans for Pay by Bank in partnership with Ecommpay and Token as you look to the future?
Sure. So yeah, we want to make things as easy as possible for our customers and for lenders. I think we're actually only offering pay by bank currently to our lenders, but for borrowers, one of the things that they like is to for us to be able to process that payments for them without logging in. Um, and so VRP, variable recurring payment, are going to be a big part of that. And I'm really excited about trying to move forwards with that over the next few months. And trying to be able to put more payments through pay by bank through starting to use VRP. I think there's a lot of benefit of VRP from a lot of different angles. I think we've talked about how it reduces costs for us and the risk of fraud for us and for customers. And those settlement times getting cut, which is good for our lenders and also for our borrowers. But I think another benefit is on the regulatory side, and I think the transparency that we'll be able to provide to our customers through VRP will be really good.
Claire, did you want to add to that at all?
Well, VRP has been the diamond in the open banking crown since its very conception. So yes, that definitely will be the enabler for those recurring and subscription payments, which will take away the friction. So that's definitely a key characteristic. I think there are two others that I would call out. One is potentially for the money platform as it starts to look beyond the boundaries of the UK. So one of the things that is very strong within the token infrastructure is the ability to deliver localized bank accounts across Europe. And we've seen significant improvements in acceptance rates for other merchants where there is that local bank account, because some of those declines that George was describing from a card transaction perspective happen in open banking when somebody is operating from outside of the domestic nation. So that's definitely an opportunity as Money Platform looks to its expansion plans and thinks about where next for its customer base. And then on that theme, I think the other is, where does the evolution of open banking go? As a bit of an open banking nerd, there's a lovely definition of why account to account was the original scope and who was in line for that. And if you look on a fast forward to open finance, broadening out to wider industries, insurance, pensions, and then on beyond into open data, so health, wealth, and transport and the wider industries, I just think it provides a much richer data set that will enhance all the customer experiences and really bring that payments journey together. So I think there's things in both the immediate horizon and the longer term for both the money platform and for merchants to think about.